All right, we are going to start working with watercolor supplies. So I want to just walk you through the proper way to gather your supplies. So here you can see that we're at the sinks and we've got some brushes and we've got some water cups, okay? This is how you find them and this is how they should be returned. Brushes go up in the cups, okay? We don't want any of the bristles going down. We want them pointing up, okay? Clean, nice and neat. So you're going to take one water cup and you're going to turn on the faucet and fill it just about there, okay? So not full, not quite even half, really. All right, and now when it comes to selecting brushes, you just want to pick maybe 3, okay? So you want to pick like a nice small brush. This is a size 4. Okay, and then in here we can kind of look around and see if maybe there's more of like, these are like fluffier headed brushes. So we could try working with that one. And then in here we've got some really fluffy headed brushes, which might be pretty fun for the experiments that we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and pull one of those. It's a size 12. Okay. We also have, and I'll pull these out as well, some more sort of like stiffer brushes. Like some of these are really fluffy and kind of like a little bit, they're just a little bit different. These are a little bit more flat-headed, and so you might be able to get some more sort of like pointed straight lines. These are pointed brushes, round heads. And so that might give you different results. So you can take maybe one of those just to sort of experiment and see. Okay, so I've got my brushes, I've got my water, and now I need to take 2 paper towels. So coming over to the paper towels, I'm just gonna take 1, 2, okay? And then you're gonna bring those back to your seat. Oh, sorry, I forgot the watercolors. Over here on this end of the sinks, we've got our watercolors all laid out. So you're gonna go ahead and pick one set. You and the people at your table, between all of you, I know that these are looking pretty hammered, and they are. You and the people at your table will be able to basically work collaboratively. If you don't have yellow and they have yellow, then that's totally fine. Just work together. So go ahead and pick one. Some of these are stickier, and then these ones are like dry. So you'll notice that there are some differences even within our watercolor palettes. So you'll take all of your materials, your 2 paper towels, your watercolors palette, and your paint brushes, and your water cup, and you'll bring those. I mean, I'm using one hand because I don't have 2. You'll bring it over to your table along with your watercolor sheet, your watercolor experiment sheet, okay? So that is the proper procedure for gathering materials, okay? Great.